a guide to home maintenance. Hey everyone, welcome back to Discovery. Today, we'll be your guides in ensuring your home stays in tip-top shape. Let's get started. Importance of home maintenance. First off, let's talk about why home maintenance is crucial. We'll discuss how taking preventative measures can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Tips for preventative maintenance. Now, let's get practical. We'll provide a range of tips and techniques for preventative maintenance. From the roof to the foundation, we've got you covered to keep potential issues at bay. DIY projects for home maintenance. For all you DIY enthusiasts, we've got some exciting content. Section 3 will showcase quick and easy do-it-yourself projects to keep your home looking good and, most importantly, safe. No need to be a pro, we'll guide you every step of the way. Addressing problems. But what if something does go wrong? Don't worry, we'll cover that too. Section 4 will delve into ways to address common problems effectively. From leaky faucets to squeaky floors, we've got solutions for you. And that's a wrap on our guide to home maintenance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future guides.